Federation of Malaysian Manufacturers, FMM, has been the voice of the Malaysian manufacturing sector since 1968. We represent over 12,200 members from the manufacturing supply chain. FMM being the largest manufacturing industry organization, it is our vision and mission to champion the transformations of Malaysia's manufacturing industry to move up the value chain, increase our productivity, and produce world-class standard products. In this regard, Huawei is FMM's very important strategic partner, especially in the following three areas: education and training of our talents on the cutting-edge technology, collaboration and co-creation of the digital ecosystem in Malaysia, the enabling technology to transform the Malaysian industry.
Huawei has made long-standing commitment toward the haptic industry achieve their mission and vision. With this as our foundation, we respect customers, place quality first, and cooperation toward win-win results, creating strong partnership in the process. One such partner is FMM, the voice of Malaysia manufacturing industry. Digital talent is our key driver in digital transformation. Our future depends on working together toward a common goal, boosting the potential of Malaysia's working force. Together, we can help build the future of the nation. Together, we are better.